Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, the last Saturday of 2023, and we're doing a Super Silhouette Saturday. I just got the purple chrome S15 in from Mini GT 2 days ago with my second Hako drift car, and anyways, I want to unbox this S15 for you guys. Just getting around to it today, and I also want to do another video tomorrow, kind of close the year with 3 consecutive videos for you guys. So today we're taking a look at this bad boy here. This is a very cool purple chrome. It's like a Spectra Flame purple, like this guy here, the RLC Charger. And once I get the S15 out, I'll put these next to each other. They are almost identical with the paint finish, with the chrome look and thing. So it may be the same type of formula that Hot Wheels uses for Spectre Flame. I don't know. But anyways, this is a Miho exclusive one. This is a limited edition, and they did mass produce these because you notice now they do not put how many. And as I mentioned before, they do make international ones that are sealed in the box. The numbered Miho exclusive is only that packaging style. There's only, what, 3,500 or something, but there could be thousands and thousands of the international boxes. Sometimes the boxes are different. But this one now, I'm saying Miho probably mass-produced these because there was no number. One thing cool that they started doing, and I pointed this out on the R35 number 23 drift car, the D1 Grand Prix car, and it's kind of a replica of the S15. And anyways, I showed you guys how they do this cutout now in the card, in the blister pack. They do this so you can see the back of the box, and you have your holographic sticker on the box in case you do open it and want to take the box out and the car out like I do, and you're worried about that holographic sticker being on the blister pack. Well, no more worries because they started doing this. A lot of people must have complained about that. To me, it didn't matter as long as I knew it was real and I got it from Miho or whatever and it was packaged and such. But a lot of people did bother, so they started doing it this way, and it's kind of cool. And you even have your barcode, UPC code here, and it just states that this is the LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silvia, and this is collector number 555. That's pretty cool. The 2022 Formula Drift Japan right-hand drive. And then you have all your Nissan licensing, and then the TSM licensing, holographic sticker. And then up here you have all your warnings for choking hazards, age recommendations, because it is a collector's model, and blah, blah, blah. Where to find Mini GT online, and where they are on social media and such things like that. And then up here, they still have this thing up with TSM model proudly presents our 164 and Mini GT series. They've been doing that since day one with this. I thought this is kind of like a startup kind of the phrase that they would eliminate someday, but they didn't. So anyways, as you can see, I cut around the edge so it kind of lifts up like a door. This one, though, kind of got cut off, got off the line a little bit. And anyways, we'll take the box out, and then we will take the car out here. You pull that off, and then take the car out and set him there. And then we'll just toss this. And actually, it has a picture, and I think this is the real car drifting, or it was just like a art print of the car drifting. But it is pretty cool how they did that. And then the box, it's just, now see, this is different because it said number 555 on the UPC thing, but this says that it is 560 or 576. I bet the car's race number is 555. Okay, maybe that's where I messed up. I don't see it anywhere, but maybe we'll come across it while we're going over it. But yeah, this just has everything else on it that I pointed out on the package. This has your Liberty Walk. They kind of changed it up a little bit with their LB. That's kind of cool. Then your Mini GT in purple there, and then the age and warning, and then we looked at that already, and then where to find them online, and then this is collector number 576. Sorry to say 555 earlier. So we'll toss the box to the side as soon as I show you guys this, which I always point this out in all the Miho releases, in case you do get rid of your blister pack and you want to store it back in the box. You do get the PVC tray where the car can set in. It won't bounce around in the box and damage it or scuff the paint, so that is cool. So that is your box, and then the car itself, and then once again we'll get the charger out here, and as you can see, it's almost identical. The Hot Wheels charger may be a tad bit lighter, but the finish of the chrome purple look is pretty much the same. And I don't know, the reason maybe the S15 looks a little bit darker is because of the graphics on it. I'm not sure, but yeah, as you can see, the finish is the same as like the Hot Wheels Spectre Flame nowadays. So, pretty cool paint job on this little guy. So, let's zoom in a little bit so we can take a look at him up close. And as you can see, it's got a lot of livery on the side. The striping graphic down the side is like a yellowish orange kind of look to it. And then you have these bright neon green wheels with a polished rim. And then you have the matching green cage inside the car, which is pretty cool. And then, yes, some graphics on the roof, and across the windshield, you have your Formula Drift banner sticker. Nothing on the rear window, and you can see the cage through the back window. And then going to the back side, you have your red, and also it has like a kind of like a tampo probably underneath the acrylic of like a backup lens and things like that. They're highly detailed. And then you have the cutout in the back here, which is pretty sweet. The rear air diffuser. Some co-sponsor decals on the rear bumper cover. And then your mirrors are rubber. They're a little bit stiff, but they are a little durable. I would just still be careful if you have one and you're handling it like myself. And they are in the black rubber finish. They're not color matched to the car, but that may be the way the real one is. I'm not sure. So then you have your clear acrylic headlight lenses, and then all kinds of livery on the front bumper cover, on the hood, and such. LBWK on the big chin spoiler, front spoiler. So very cool looking little car. So that is our Super Silhouette Saturday, and we will be back again tomorrow. Not sure what we're going to do, but I'll come up with something by tomorrow for you guys. So we'll have one last video for the last day of the year. So only 2 days to go, and we'll be in 2024. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy your Saturday.